If you're looking for a great stitch to stitch elastic onto your fabric, try stitch number 7 on the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine. So this is actually a multiple point zigzag. So it's going to go stitch, 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 and then change direction, stitch, stitch, stitch. So the way you stitch elastic is number 1, elastic is usually cut to a smaller, shorter length, and you actually pull it to the end of the fabric. We have foot 0A on and the IDT engaged. If you need to, you can always lengthen out the zigzag for a little bit easier flow. I'm going to give it just a couple little touches longer since I am kind of resisting it or pulling it back so it doesn't feed so quickly. That's what's actually going to give the elastic the gathered up look that you're looking for. If you have any skip stitches when you sew elastic, you're probably going to need to change the needle. Change it to a stretch needle because you're sewing through pretty much rubber here, and that's what's probably giving you your skip stitches. But look how pretty that is. Easy to then flip over, top stitch, or even use a twin needle to give it that professional look at the end.